Penrite's 10 tenths racing range. As you would expect, this is their premium offering. High performance engine oil. Trust me, this is as good as lubrication gets. So it don't matter if you're a part-time racer, full-time racer, professional, amateur, or you just want to put the very best lubrication in your street car, provided it meets your specs, this is the product for you. And the important specs, it's 100% PAO ESTER, it's full zinc, and it's shear free. And here's a fact, this Penrite 10W60 10 tenths is the exact engine lubricant that the Penrite racing team use in their supercar Mustang. That's pretty cool.